Okay, this is the third and final challenge. This is the most challenging option that you could choose. There are three functions involved in this program also. The menu you see on the screen is what should be displayed at the start of the program. It's not dissimilar, I guess, to the multiplication quiz that you made for your previous summative. However, this time we're really going to try and focus on putting all of our program into functions rather than have one big block of code. So in the first instance, I'm asked to enter either 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction. So let's try 1. Okay, so the computer program will be generating 2 random numbers between 5 to 20. Okay, and it's just going to simply ask me to add them together. Okay, so the answer to this is 30. Okay, and it's saying correct. So what we need here is we need a function which deals with addition, so choosing the random integers. We want similarly a function that deals with subtraction, and then we want a function which checks the answer. I also want you to think about what you would do if the user entered another number that was not valid. Okay, so for example, they put in a letter or number 4, for example, and then an appropriate message needs to be displayed. Okay, that's it.